I can't tell whether I'm on. Yeah, I'm on. Okay.
He's pretty peppy.
Yeah, you got to hold plenty of down because I need a little longer landing gears.
Wow. That sucker will go.
She slows down nice too.
Yeah, so just getting ready to say I could feel it coming through the turn there. It's hanging right through. That's nothing right now. Just gliding. Wow, that nice.
Well, it ain't the Corsair, but
It does pretty well. Probably do that a little higher so it shows up the weed, you know,
she'll come out good.
so you can see the plane. I didn't know how blurry it would be, you know, going past the backdrop of the trees. Settles in nice. Once you get used to the first couple of landings, it settles in very nice.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind having a little longer landing gear on it.
Oh, you can take care of that. Boy, that baby's got some snort. Oh, rudder. Pretty responsive.
Yeah, I didn't put dual rates on the rudder. It's as much as I can get.
Nice little flat turn. Oh, knife edge flight with it there.
Yeah, the Corsair won't knife edge, but that one will.
Wow, does it? I can't believe that. Wow, that's not even full power. I got a little side wind there.
Wonder
Turn it into a slip.
Wonder if it has enough to do a knife edge loop, enough rudder.
I don't think. It's pretty powerful.
Well, there's probably not enough rudder.
It could use some coupling with the roll. It makes a pretty big barrel roll just on its own. But other than that, holy smokes. There's a little bit of rudder there, a little bit of rudder there, bring it around real nice. Rudder, rudder. Very nice.
Well, I'm pleased with the way it flies.
Super.
And that airplane needs landing gear.
Yeah, I hate to pitch something this nice up into the air and then belly flop it in and beat it all up. You know, the way you got it set up, it's overly powerful. I mean, it'll handle landing gear like a champ. I mean, you can see there's no power issues with the plane. So you just put a bigger ESC and bigger
prop, yeah.
prop on. Very nice.
But it's all E-flite junk.
Right.
It's the same stuff they had in the Corsair and the T-28.
Boy, she goes. That thing just flat out get it.
It should do a little better without the landing gear, but
yeah. But I think, like you said, you may gain by putting some Max Products 3-inch wheels on it. The narrow, skinny ones.
Yeah.
The lightweight ones. I mean, granted, no matter what, flying with wheels, you're going to lose scale realism, but
yeah.
Who cares? It is what it is, you know. Beautiful flying airplane.
I think it's a winner.
Got the throttle on it. Just look at that. Just hands off. Just settles right in. Add a little bit.
Did you have the throttle cut the whole way?
I added a little bit just to creep it in. I usually like to, with electric planes, I usually like to keep about 2-3 clicks of power on, just enough to keep it pulling so it doesn't fall off. Because if you do that, if you try to glide it in, a lot of times they just drop, fall right in, right at the last minute. So what I do is I cut it off and let the plane start to descend a little bit.
Then add a little bit.
Yep, right here at about 2-3 clicks of power. See how nice it settled right into the ground?
Yeah. And it's handling this little bit of wind okay.
Yep. So right here, you cut it all off, and kind of glide it in, let it come in, and then right at the runway, right about here, add 2-3 clicks of power, should just settle right in nice, and then kill it. Settle it right in.
Well, the landing gear's holding up good.
Yeah, one more go around.
Two and 3/4 inch wheels, they were handling the grass okay.
Yeah. That thing wants to leave the ground already, just taxiing it at a decent speed.
Yeah.
It's a flyer.
And you were upwind too.
Yep.
She settles in nice.
She does. Gunfighter.